Hi there. Let me show you how Signum AI platform works. First of all, log into your account, and the first section you'll see is called Audiences. Let's have a closer look at what's inside. There are two subsections. One of them is My Audiences. Here you'll find audiences that you'll use in your ad campaigns. Where do you take these audiences from? There are two options. We can collect audiences for you and upload them to your Signum AI account straight away. It's useful when you target complex segments or just want to save time. The second option is to upload ready-to-use audiences. For example, the list of your current clients from your CRM. To use your Facebook audience with the highest match rate, we recommend using a specific template. You can download it by clicking the link in the top right corner. The second subsection is Marketplace. We've collected and categorized audiences provided by our data vendors. These audiences were collected using Entity Embedding method. This method enables tracking target users' activities via content analysis. Thus, you won't face issues of post-cookie apocalypse and will receive hyper-target audiences. Choose the group you're interested in, for example, information technologies. Then choose more specific category like front-end developers. Give it a name and click Generate Audience. Good job! A new audience is automatically added to the subsection My Audience. Now you can use it in your ad campaigns. The next step is to build ad creatives. Go to Creative section. Again, you'll see two subsections, My Creatives and Templates. In Templates, you'll find a database of ready-to-use creatives. All of them were generated by our AI trained on the 14 million plus best ad creative set. Before adding creatives to templates, each banner is polished by our designers and copywriters. You can use any of these creatives as a base to build your own ones. All you need is to click Add to My Creatives. Now you will see it in the subsection My Creatives. Pretty easy. You can also build a new creative from scratch. Click Add New Creative, fill in the basic information, including the name of the creative, primary text, website URL, and call to action, and add the banner itself. As for primary text, you can use our AI content generator to create it. Click Generate Content, and add a few words about your product or service, product name, brief description, and target audience. Click button again and get a few options of the ready-to-use AI-generated text. Be aware of the fact that this content generation tool was built to automate brainstorming and providing you the ground for new ideas. Texts are likely to require some fixing. Now upload the image of your ad creative and fill in other gaps. Review the creative in all sizes and click Save Creatives. Congrats, you've just built your first ad creative. Now let's go to the integration section and connect your Facebook ad account. Press Connect, choose your account, and follow instructions. When successfully connected, you'll see notifications in the bottom right corner. Also, you'll see the list of available accounts. Don't forget to provide permissions for accounts chosen. Otherwise, you won't be able to run ad campaigns. Now it's time to create your first ad campaign. Go to Campaigns and click Create New Campaign. Next, choose an ad account and the page you'll use to run your campaign. Then choose the type of campaign depending on its objective, traffic or conversions. Then, name your campaigns. Choose the audience you want to target, set the size and the type of budget, lifetime or daily, and select the time period range. The next step is to choose a creative. Search for the relevant ad creative or add a new one by clicking Create Creative. The last step is to review your campaign and make corrections if needed. All checked and fixed? Then click Confirm and launch to start your first ad campaign. Confirm your intention one more time and wait for Facebook's reply. It may take up to 30 seconds. Excellent! You've successfully created your campaign. You'll see the pop-up in the top right corner. In this section, you may track the key campaign's metrics. To monitor the detailed statistics, go to the Reports section. Here you'll find all the metrics of the ad campaigns run through Signum AI. The graphs, tables, and other necessary data will appear here as soon as you get the first results. That's it. We hope that was useful. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our support team. Just open the chat in the bottom right corner. Good luck.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check lifetime deal link in the description below.